one of Staten Island's West Shore parcels of land was sold. On Monday, August 5th, Staten Island Marine Development purchased a site on the West Shore, just below the Goethals Bridge, for $80 million. The previous owner of the site was the International Speedway Corporation, who had wanted to put a NASCAR racetrack there, but stopped the plan when Staten Islanders opposed it due to all the traffic it would have caused. The new owners of this site are going to restore and preserve part of it for the wetlands, while the rest of it will be used for commercial development.